Hey, what's up, everybody? Today is the February 7th, 2019. Thanks for watching. I'm going to try to make this video quick because I've been trading all day and I got a pizza that I'm about to go pick up and I'm starving. I just started this intermittent fasting and I know you only talk about trading, but I like it a lot. But man, today I just like hit a wall and I don't know, man. I made it to like last meal yesterday was 8 p.m. Then I didn't eat today till like 2:30, and then I ate like a salad after that. And I don't know, man, I'm dying over here. So if it takes me a second to find my words doing this video, now you know why. But that being said, thanks so much for watching. If this is the first time seeing me, I appreciate the fact that you're here. If you saw me on Instagram, YouTube, we have a awesome VIP group, and I swear to God, I'm not just saying that. Like, we have the community's kind of formed itself. I just set the intention for like, there's so much bullshit out there and people faking the deal on Instagram and what have you, like YouTube, and pretending to be something they're not, which is like traders, and like they're just on a phone and like I'm trading in the back of a Rolls Royce or getting out of my Lamborghini and I'm a trader. And dude, it doesn't work that way, man. I am a trader, right? If you're trading anything, you're a trader. It just depends what scale you're on. I mean, I have a management account that I operate, quite a bit of capital. And the thing is, I'm not driving around in Lambos. I'm sitting here in a house that I just moved into that like it's empty as fuck because I haven't had time to even get furniture like and get stuff unpacked because the market's going 24/5, and the other 2 days that I have, I'm answering back people's messages and trying to communicate and teach and mentor and stuff. So, dude, I don't even know what got me on that rant, but oh yeah, when I started this group, I was like, I had seen enough of that. And I wanted to create something different. And I really like the cool thing is it's really happening. And my brother and I, who's my business partner, we've been grinding at this for, I guess we started the business almost going on 2 years ago. And it's been an uphill climb. It's been organic the way we've got our followers, everything. And man, it's really cool. And the vibe in it is super positive. It's very good teaching environment. And it's set up for people that want to learn. Like, I will be the first one to tell you that it's not not get rich quick. And if that's what you're looking for, good luck finding it because it doesn't exist. Back there, I put one of my idols on the wall. I thought that painting in print would be like twice the size as it is. It's still like a few $100, but it's Muhammad Ali and it says no excuses. And the thing is, if you want to be successful, if you want to do something different, if you want to break out of whatever job that you're in, you got to have no excuses and you just got to do it, man. That's why I'm eating all day. I'm in this house that is needs to be unpacked and stuff, and but there's no excuse for me not to crush it when that's my biggest goal. So if you got that kind of mindset and you want to learn and you want to have a legit learning environment where your strengths can be nurtured, and you can figure out and become a trader on your own and develop a style that works for you. I want to teach you my style and help you figure out your own along the way, because everybody has their own way of looking at the market. There isn't one way, or else there'd be just there'd be tons of successful traders out there. Instead, there's tons of unsuccessful traders because they tried all these different strategies. People sold them. What I want to try to do and what I try to do is develop everybody's skills. So that being said, let's take a look at the market. Click the links below. Sorry for that little rant. Dude, I've been doing my analysis videos. I need to turn them into psychology videos. But that gives you a little bit of psychology, is that you got to be realistic that, dude, I want to do something different. for me, I remember the time it happened. I found this, I was losing money, but all of a sudden it hit me like, this is the one thing that can bring me out of the poverty I was living in, straight up, working construction and not happy. And I realized that, and I was like, holy shit, man, I can do this, but it's up to me. And so it's up to you. It's up to you all. So thanks so much, and choosing me, hopefully, to take the journey with. Here's gold right now. I just actually put in a little sell. And so here's my sell position. So you can see here, there we are. And so two things going to happen here. I don't even trade gold all that often, but somebody messaged me about it. And so I think we could see a drop from this trend line here. But eventually, we are going to break out to this upside. And you know why? And this has been happening in so many different pairs across the board. This looks like, in my opinion, an inverted head and shoulders. And breaking out to the upside seems very likely. And let me demonstrate this for you. So I draw the weirdest head and shoulders, but you get the picture, right? And I think that's what's going to happen eventually. But I'm going to a quick little scalp, I'm going to go for about 20 pips. Yeah, so I'm going to go for a quick 20 pips here. Sorry, I got a message from my bro. And then take profits here, maybe move stop loss to break even and ride it out. But this looks like a quick little short. So if you can find an entry here against this trend line, then that will be huge for you. So let's move on. And what I really wanted to cover is pound Aussie. And we've been hitting this hard in the VIP group all week, or past 24 hours. So this morning was crazy. Sorry about the text message. This morning was crazy. You know, there's tons of news out of UK, and it just caused just crazy movements in the market. And this is what this big drop right here, and big rejection, and then the pound rallied big time. Let's take a look at some other pound pairs to illustrate this point. And here is pound. I am super bullish the pound right now. Pound dollar. And the reason why, if you can go back to December 20th, 22nd, I think that's when that video was. Here's another inverted head and shoulders pattern, like the one I just showed you with gold, right? And here's a channel. And we've broken out above the channel. I'm thinking straight up, all out reversal. And on top of that, look how it matches up to our Fibonacci levels. By the way, if you don't know what the hell I'm talking about, I teach this stuff in my course. So here's our Fibonacci's from this high, which is this massive, massive double top in formation to this low here. And we had our hit down here, 1.25, all the way from 1.40. Crazy, 1,500 pips. If you're a swing trader, yeah, that paid for your trip to Greece and then some, wherever it is you want to go. And so this is the thing, though. We've broken out. We've broken out of this consolidation. I've been calling an all-out reversal for a while. And from top to bottom here, from top to bottom, now to relate it back to gold, inverted head and shoulders been coming in the scene a lot lately. And if you can start to recognize this before it happens, you can make a lot of money. And so just like gold, boom, kind of like a hammock or something. I don't know what you say. I told you I hadn't eaten anything all day. So boom, right there, little hammock, and then a breakout, okay? And just to illustrate this a little bit better. We've broken out here to the 61.8, and I think higher. You know, we'll see maybe a little something like that. And the thing is, we've retested here with that huge news event was this wick right here on the closing daily candle. Now, if we check that, what that looks like on four-hour, you can see we drop down here and complete, you know, basically what happened is the big banks, market makers taking out stops, right? And so here we are, we're back above this channel, and I like this setup now. So, because basically what we have here is a giant breakout. When you have something like this on a daily chart, it really looks like you can say, hey, this is what's happening now. And breakout, break down, breakout, and retest. So it's just a classic breakout and a retest. And on top of that, where did it retest to? So I drew that Fibonacci from the top of that double top, 1.40, to the bottom, 1.25, right here. It broke out to the 38.2, full rejection. And where did it, I mean, it's almost too easy, too perfect. 23.6 here. So I'm very bullish. People that are in my MAM account, if they're watching this and they see all the GU trades that I'm in right now, this is what I'm looking at, and this is what I'm going for, because, man, I'm more of an in and out scalp day trader, but this is a great possibility if you wanted to put a couple trades and be like, my account's set up right now for, it's like meant for scalping and day trading, so it's hard to take long swing positions because the swap fees and commissions get so high, unfortunately. But if you wanted to do this, this would be an awesome opportunity. If you don't mind a little drawdown and you're just like a monk and you can be like just stupid patient, hold this to 1.35. Try it out. I don't know. See what happens. So that being said, let's check out Pound Aussie, and then I'm going to go pick up my pizza. All right, let's take a look at Pound. And I still like Pound Yen, and I think we're going to see some upside to it too. It's kind of struggling down here. I don't have anything prepared on this because I haven't looked. Anyways, I like getting encouragement in my text messages, but we're still at the 61.8, and we're still at the 23.6. So as long as that support holds, and look how firm the support level is, right? Here we are. Let's just go back in time a little bit. All the way back here. The same levels. All right, so let's take a look at Pound Aussie though. This, I just sent out some signals to my group, and I think they're about to hit some take profits. So let's see what's up. Oh, this is, let's see here. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. I got a phone call, and then I checked out my trades for that, and you can see we both just take profits. So take profit 1 and 2. So yeah, so we just hit 40 pips, and look, taking a closer look, we're about to just smash through 100 here. I love it when it happens like this. So if you think about what I just said in pound and table, pound dollar, this is already happening in Pound Aussie, and I think pound dollar is a little bit on down the road. And what we have here is just a classic breakout. So it's a little bit different than that setup on gold, but here's a little hammock, and here's a super saggy hammock, right? And then we broke out. And once we had a breakout here, and I saw that this morning New York session, I caught us here, and then you can see where our entry is, right? Here. And dude, that's killer. Let's save that photos. And this is your classic, what I just described in cable, giant breakout and retest. This is it on an hourly scale. So how this just went boom, boom, 100 pips, you can expect a few hundred from the cable, but it's going to take longer. So yeah, as you can see, I'm blowing up, man, but it's a good thing. It's all good stuff, and I'm super blessed. So I'm really blessed that I've learned this skill. I'm blessed that I had a mentor that helped me learn how, not only technical analysis, but really the management of trades, management of money, how to actually operate one of these, right? It takes time, man. It takes time and dedication. And so we just have a great breakout trade here on Aussie, pound Aussie, and this is going to be a good one to buy dips for. So where are we going? I think this level of resistance here is a legit target. 1.84, maybe even higher. So I hope you found this video informative. For all the people in my group, you know, I'm glad thank you for giving me people to teach. And so here we are, and I think this is gonna run for a while. We're about 30 pips from our 100 pip target. So if you're watching this and you want to try moving the target back a little and go for 120, 140, go right ahead. I'm gonna go get this pizza and celebrate this victory. And thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my chat room. So if this made sense, if it didn't make sense but you want to learn, or you just want to be a part of an awesome trading community, click the links below and get started. If you like this video, thumbs up, and thanks for watching. All right, everybody.